Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about structured query language. This is the basic outline of this video. This video consists of an introduction to the SQL, various SQL commands, aggregate functions, group by and order by clauses. Now, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standard language used to interact with relational databases. As we know, relational databases consist of rows and columns. It is in the table format. Using this SQL, we can write queries to create a table or delete a table or update a table, or we can display the table. Now, some of the applications of SQL include data analytics, backend development, business intelligence, e-commerce, finance, and healthcare. Various some of the tools used in SQL are MySQL, Workbench, Oracle databases, etc. By using this, we can we can create databases. Now, this is the small introduction about SQL. Now, let us look into various SQL commands. It consists of four different types of languages. First one is data definition language. In DDL, it consists of four different commands, which is create, drop, alter, and truncate. The first command create is used to create a table. The syntax is create table, table name, in bracket, column 1 and data type. By using this command, we can create a table. Now the second command is drop command. Dro- uh, Drop command is used to remove the entire table. The syntax is drop table, table name. The third one is alter command. Alter command is used to modify some of the changes in the table. For example, we can add a separate column to the table, or we can remove some of the column from the table using alter command. The fourth command is truncate. Truncate is used to remove the entire values from the table without removing the field names. For example, let us consider a table called student. The student has some of the values like student name, student ID, address, and etc. So by using truncate, we can remove some of the values in the student table without removing these fields like a student name ID. These won't be removed. Only the values in the table gets removed using truncate. Now this is about DDL. Now let us look into data manipulation language, which is DML. It also consists of four different types of commands. They are select, insert, update, and delete. The select function is used to display the table using the condition. The syntax is select column 1, column 2, and so on from table name where condition. For example, if we want to display the entire table, then we use star, like a select star from table name where condition. Now, now the second command is insert command. Insert command is used to insert some values into the table, like insert into table name, column 1, comma column 2, values. This is about insert. Now the third command is update command. By using this update command, we can update a certain value in the table. For example, if we want to update the marks of a student, then we use this update command. Update table name, set column 1 is equal to value 1, and so on, where condition. Now the fourth command is delete command. The delete command is used to remove a specific row from the table. For example, if you want to delete the entire record of a student whose roll number is 140, then we use this command delete from table name where condition. So this is about data manipulation language. There are total four commands. Now, like let us look into the third language, which is a data control language. It also consists of two different types of commands, which is grant and revoke. The grant assigns a new privilege to a user account, allowing access to specific database objects, actions, and functions. Now let us look into the revoke command. Revoke removes the previously granted privileges from a user account, taking away their access to certain database objects or actions. So this is about data control language. Now let us look into the fourth language, which is transmission control language. It consists of total three commands, which is commit, rollback, and save point. The commit is used to save the save all the changes made during the transaction. The rollback is used to undo the changes using this during a transaction. The save point creates a save point within the current transaction. So while writing a query, mostly we use DDL and DML commands. These are less used, which is DCL and TCL. So these are the various commands that are used in a SQL query. Now let us look into some of the aggregate functions. There are total five aggregate functions. First one is count. The count function is used to calculate count the number of columns in a table. Now the second is sum function. The sum function is used to calculate the total sum in a particular column. The third one is average. Average is used to find the average of a particular column. And the fourth and fifth one is min and max. As the name suggests, the function is used to find the minimum value, whereas max function is used to find the maximum value. So these are the total five aggregate functions which are used in SQL query. The fourth one is group by and order by clauses. The order by clause in SQL is used to sort query result based on one or more columns in either ascending or descending order. For example, if we have a field or a column called salary and there are salaries randomly distributed between the members, if we want to sort them in either ascending order or descending order, we use this order by clause. The syntax is select star from table name, order by, column name, ASC or DSC. Here ASC stands for ascending order and DESC stands for descending order. So this is about order by clause. Now let us look into the group by clause. Group by clause is used to arrange identical data into groups based on one or more columns. For example, let us consider a column or a field called department. And there are some values in the department like IT department, HR department, managing department, etc. If we want to group into a set of if you want to group IT department into a single file, or if you want to group HR department into a single group, we use this group by function. The syntax is select column 1, comma aggregate function of column 2 from table name where condition group by column 1, comma column 2. So this is about a group by and order by clauses. So in this video, we discussed about introduction to SQL, various SQL commands, aggregate functions, group by and order by clauses. Now let us execute it practically. Now I opened MySQL workbench. In this, let us create first. Let us create a database. Create database. Let us name it as college. Now I created a database called college. Let us once verify it. Yes, here college is included, but it has no tables, no views, nothing. So now in order to use this, Let us use college. Okay, now let us create two tables. First table is student and second table is course. Yes, create table course. Course has a CID which is int and it is also a primary key. Comma, the course has another field called course name, which is a variable character of 50 characters. Maximum 50 characters are supported here. Okay, this is the syntax for creating a table. The create is a DDL command. Now let us execute it. The table is successfully created. Let us refresh and see. See, table course is successfully created. Now let us create another table, which is create table student. Student has a student ID, which is int, and it is also a primary key. Student name, which is a variable character. It supports 50 character. Student has marks, which is an integer. Course ID. Here, course ID is referred as foreign key because the primary key in one table is foreign key in another table. The fourth field is admission year, which is int, comma. Now let us write about foreign key. Foreign key, CID, preferences, course, which is CID. So by creating a student table, the student has a student ID, student name, marks, CID, it is a foreign key, admission year. So total 5 values. Let us execute it. Yes, it is successfully created. Here create another create is used. It is a DDL command. Now let us use alter command. Alter is a DDL command. Alter table student add. We are adding a column into a student table. Add column grade character of 1. So we are adding a column called grade, which supports only one character, either A or B or C, whatever it may be. It's successfully added. Now let us check once it is added or not. Select star from student. See here, select is a DML command. See here, grade is successfully created. Now let us use some of the DDL commands. Let us insert some values. Insert into course. Course is a table name. Values. 1, comma math. 2, comma physics. G, comma chemistry. So let us execute this. We are inserting total 3 values into the course. Now let us insert another table. Insert into student values. Student has total 5 fields. Let us be 201. The name is, let it be Ravi. Marks 85. One admission year 2022. And the final one is grade. A total 5 values. Unique. See here, primary key should be unique. Marks 96. Let it be 95. See here, we are adding total 3 values into the student table. Error. Cannot update a child in a row. Foreign key constraints fails. Okay, here I changed the course ID into the 323. Then is it executed successfully. Now let us once verify using select command. Select star. Here total 3 values successfully added. Now until now we use create command, insert command, alter command. Now let us use update command. Update is a DEML command. Repeat. Update student set marks is equal to 95, where SID equals 202. Let us execute this 201. Let it be 201. The second one has already 95 marks. Successfully executed. Select a star from estimate student. See here, first student marks 95 got replaced. In this way, we can use update command. Now let us delete one row. Let us delete the second 202. Delete from student where SID equals 203. I mean 202. Let us delete this one. Select star from student. See here, student 202 got deleted. Now let us. So until now we looked into create command, insert, alter, delete, select. So we use total 5. Now let us drop command and truncate command we will use at last. So now we will use a different aggregate functions. First we will use count. Select count of star from course. It will display total how many fields in the columns. There are total 3 fields in the 3 rows or records in the course table. So it will display count as 3. This is the first aggregate function. Now second, let us use average. Average AVG of let us display marks, total average of marks from student table. See, the student has total 5 fields in which one of the field is marks. So we'll display the average marks of the total students. See, average marks is 87.5. There are only two students whose marks is I think 90, 80 and 95. So their average is 87.5. Now let us use same way, same sum. See, the total sum is 175 marks. Now let us use fourth aggregate function, which is min. Minimum marks is 80. In the same way, let us use max. Max command is used to find the maximum marks. See, 80 and 95. So these are the total 5 aggregate functions, which are count, average, sum, min, and max. So now let us finally use truncate and drop command. As I said earlier, truncate command is used to uh, before let us see student table. See, the student has the total two values 201 and 203. If I execute truncate command, all the values 201 and 203 values get lost. Truncate table student. Truncate successful. Now let us see, check once, confirm it once. See, the student has no values. Now let us use drop command. See here, the college has two tables, student and course. Now I am dropping the student table. After execute this command, there will be no student table in the database. Drop table student. See here, the course, only the course table is left, no student table. In the same way, let us execute for table also, course table also. TRU truncate table course. Now let us drop the table course. See, there are no tables in the college database now. So this is the practical implementation of various SQL commands. In this we use create, insert, delete, drop, truncate, alter, update commands. In the same way we used 5 different aggregate functions, which are count, min, max, sum, and average. So this is about SQL. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.